on last week's episode.
I'm gonna get vulnerable. Who better know it's the girl business? Have you ever had the worst, best year of your life? Your girl was going through it. You act like no one loves you. Relocate back to Atlanta. Packed all my stuff up in 4 hours and was in Atlanta by 7 p.m. I gotta pay all these bills by myself. I got tourists, I don't listen to anything. And I almost gone. What I need you for? Your life can switch in an instant. And it made me gain weight. I was pissed. The most depressed I've ever been in my life. Who gonna help me when I'm dead? Welcome back to my channel. Stop right now because we are growing. So if you haven't yet subscribed, please press that subscribe button. It's free, okay? Today I am taking you on things that have worked in my fitness journey. My famous smoothie, like this smoothie, you drink this every day, snatched, okay? I don't want to show y'all too much, but you know, y'all see abs coming in because I do. Yes, I'm going to show you my smoothie, how to lose, like I said, the 5 or 10 pounds, and also how to tone up because there's some girls out there that's already they just need to tone it up. So we're just gonna get into all that right now. So for my infamous smoothie, oh my gosh, I cannot tell you enough. I used to have the like $20-$30 blender from Target, and you have to do the most to it. I'm like, oh my gosh, this, thank you to my mama, she got me the Ninja. So because I'm a smoothie, like literally I drink smoothies every day. And on our little fitness journey, if you're trying to lose the 5 or 10 pounds in the morning, you do not need coffee unless it's only black coffee. No cream, no sugar, which none of y'all really drink that. But if it's just straight black coffee, you can drink it. However, I suggest every morning this smoothie. Okay, so let me show you what's in it. So first, you can use any frozen fruit. This time we have banana and mango and berries. So first, honestly, 5 ice cubes, just regular ice cubes. And look at this little cup I got, so cute. Boom, 5 ice cubes. And then it comes in pre-pouches, but we may need a little more. Okay, y'all, for this, I'm not gonna do cups or anything. It's just what it looks like. Okay, squeeze it in, squeeze it out. Because honestly, you're gonna make this in the morning. You don't have time to put out the measuring tape for a smoothie, or measuring cup for a smoothie. Yeah, I'm gonna need a little bit more of that. Just enough to cover the ice cubes at the bottom. So I would say that's about a cup of fruit. Next are our juices. So these are V8 juices. Everything will be linked. Hopefully I can find V8 juices linked. But yes, these juices taste disgusting on their own. However, this one is the green juice. This is strawberry banana. In the smoothie is good and it's low calorie. Because if you put water, you're gonna have to add sugar, and we don't want to add sugar. This is already sugar added, even though it is not a lot of sugar in these. So we're just doing it until it covers the fruit. So I like to do half and half because you need some greens. Not measuring because we don't have time. We're rushing, we're trying to go, we got things to do. Okay, cool. That's so the fruit is covered. So let's get into what I also add into it. So this, especially on your weight loss journey, it is in my Amazon storefront. It looks like crazy, honestly, but it's powder. It turns your fat into abs. So 1 scoop of this. This is very important. Not making smoothies without this. This is how you get rid of that fat, baby. And then, like I said, you don't need coffee in the morning, especially on this little thing I'm about to tell you about, this little fitness journey. Boom, this is what you need. Chia seeds give you energy. Literally, I do not need coffee. I do not need any like pick-me-ups. This is all the pick-me-ups you need. A serving size is 1/3, which is crazy. We're not going to use 1/3 a cup. Like, that's way too many. Also, boom, lion's mane mushroom powder. It's not real like mushroom. It's memory powder, so I literally feel like I don't have brain fogs anymore. Like, it comes straight to the girl. So, like I said, we're not going to do 2/3. We're just going to do a little shoop. If I can open it, that's crazy. So, I don't put a lot, just boom. 3 seconds worth of chia seeds. And for the lion's mane, a serving size is 1/3 of a teaspoon. So literally a dusting. This thing I've had this since summer. So literally, because you only, boom, that's 1/3 of a teaspoon. It looks kind of weird, but also on our fitness journey, this is what's gonna, okay, bam, you need some fiber. You need everything in your stomach, you need to get it out, okay? So a serving size of this says 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons is without, so I just do a little boom. That looks like 2 tablespoons. Now we need to add some flavor because we are not adding sugar. So oh my goodness, I have so much, but literally just a squeeze of honey. This is going to give it its sweetness without the actual sugar. Next, we're going to add, this was makes it very thick like me, but they make protein yogurt. That. So just 2 scoops. One, that was a big scoop, so I really didn't make that much too. It looks like before. We are grooving it out. Put it on high. Bingo. Ooh, looks so good. Doesn't it look so good? Smoothie is amazing. My chef's kiss, period. So, if you are here for the 5 to 10 2-week weight loss plan, here it is. So, this smoothie every morning. Please use the thing that I told you. That's the most important. And if you don't use anything else, you need what's in that blue top and the fiber, because you got to get that out, okay? It is good. Next, let me show you a gym. This is how to keep the pounds off, baby. Bam! So, every night on these 2 weeks, you need some Valentine. If you are losing the 5 pounds, you only need 1 tea bag. If you're losing the 10, you need 2 every night. This is going to clean out. I like to do it at night, so in the morning, if you know what I mean, we release ourselves because we're women. And you get in the shower and go about your day. I cannot imagine like taking this in the morning and not knowing, like I'm in Pilates and my stomach is bubbling. Like, no. Take it from me. Take it at night. So in the morning, you do your little 2, you get in the shower and you go. So like I said, this is and this is 12 tea bags. I got this from the Beauty Supply. But you can get it on Amazon as well, which I will link. $4.59. Not expensive at all. You're going to need that. Okay. So, next we're going to talk about working out. You only got 2 weeks. Okay. So you have to work out for really, if you can get the 5th, 4 to 5 days a week. So, if you're using a 5 pound, I'm going to link their YouTube page. I'm telling you. I told you when I lost 30 pounds, I was in my house because I was embarrassed. Juice and Toya is my go-to. I will, of course, like I said, link them, go to their page, do any of their hit workouts. Right now, you are strictly losing pounds. We're not worried about gaining them up. We're not worried about that right now. I'm going to tell you that then. We are working out to lose the weight. So hit exercises, cardio hits, okay? You're running this off. If you're losing 5 pounds, like I said, you need to work out for really 5 times a week because you only got 2 weeks. If you're losing the 10 pounds in 2 weeks, you got to do 2 days, okay? In the morning, get you some cardio in. Walking is really good. I left my weighted vest in the car, but I'm going to put it over here because I'm using it. You need the weighted vest if you're doing walking. I like a very inclined walk, so really as much as you can go, at least 10 if you can get there. 30 minutes incline walk. For 2 a days. You also can do the bike as well in the morning. That's really good. The elliptical, you're not really like breaking a sweat, but you're getting the distance. Okay, walking is really good. So you need the 2 a days. You need to do in the morning. You need to get your walk, elliptical, bike, whatever you need, and then your HIIT workout at the end. I'm telling you, I will link my thing. I went from like 156 to 149. 2 weeks, baby. All you need is to poop your life out and do the 2 a days or the 1 a days, and you'll be good with juice and soya each day. Okay, you can choose different ones, but as long as they say HIIT or cardio. Right now we are strictly losing the weight. Okay, so when you are done with your losing weight, or if you're already skinny, you're just trying to tone up, let me show you. Boom. Other than the, of course, protein yogurt that I said that I put in my smoothies, you need creatine. So this is linked on my YouTube as well. You take 4 gummies every morning. Very simple, but this gets you right. Like your muscles I went from diarrhea to wimpy kid to bam. You really can't see in this, but I can't take this off because I don't have a shirt under this. But the girl got some muscles, like, I'm like, okay. And then also, I didn't talk about the diet. When you're on, you cannot eat fried anything. You cannot eat sugary anything. You have 2 weeks. This 2 weeks to Valentine's Day, you can try it. This is like when you're about to go on vacation and you really don't have time. You gotta lose the gut, okay? Y'all gotta get serious if it's 2 weeks, okay? No sugar, no fried foods. I have a really bad, like, sweet tooth, for real. So this is what I have been, like, 100 calories, we could do this. It just tastes good. Like this, like I just imagine it being cake, okay? So this is, I get the strawberry, blueberry, whatever, but these are a lifesaver. They're only 100 calories, boom. Or snack on some fruit. I know you're like, what? But fruit has like a natural sugar and it will make you feel like you're not starving. So the most filling fruits to me are apples and bananas. Grapes, you're gonna eat like 200 grapes trying to get full. So I don't recommend that, okay? I recommend apples or bananas. I don't eat watermelon, and I'm black, but it's nasty. I don't like any melon, but melons are very good as well because they have lots of water and they'll get you full. So I really want y'all to take this. Like, if anybody does the 2-week challenge, please take a picture of you before and your after, and be on it for real. Don't be working out 5 times a week but going to Popeyes. No, you have to work out the 5 times a week. Eat very well. I'm talking grilled chicken, vegetables, things of that nature. We are not eating anything fried, no pastas. Y'all know how to eat healthy. Like, y'all know what it is. And yeah, you will be there. I promise. I've done this 200 times. Every time I used to go on vacation, I used to do the 2-week challenge. Like, I was the 2-week challenge girl, okay? But now this year, you know, I'm trying to not have the 2-week challenge. I'm trying to really work out the whole year and see, like, not stopping, like, consistent, and see where it goes. Because I'm trying to look like Cuban Link, Tiana Taylor, you know, any one of those. And really, I should work out not just 2 weeks and stop. Like, but you know, everybody is different. So if you only got 2 weeks until your vacation, baby, you gotta get it. So do the smoothie, of course, the ballerina tea, work out 4 to 5 times, either 1 time or 2 a days, depending on how much you lose. No fried foods. That is the real thing. No fried foods and snacks. I told you about the snacks. Boom. You need a snack, you need this. Everything is linked in my Amazon, of course. Also, I'm an LTK creator now, so I'm going to link a lot of workouts. I think this pink Lululemon was limited edition, because I like doing that. I like getting limited edition colors, so I don't know. But I know like my brown one was limited edition. It's not on there anymore. But if I can find the pink one, I will put it on there. It should be coming back because it's Valentine's Day. So let me go look on that. But it's going to be in my LTK, which is in the bio. And yeah, I wish everybody a skinny journey. And we are getting it. Or you're anybody in life will be like, dang, how you lose 10 pounds in 2 weeks? I was in the gym and pooping my life out. For real. Hey, you got 2 weeks. Get some candles. Get some air freshener like on Friday. I'm coming here for 45 minutes.
Don't nobody go in the bathroom for about 45 minutes. Somebody open the window.
I also want to let you know that I do have the free 2 weeks. You only need 2 weeks. 2 weeks class pass linked in my bio as well. It's free, but like I said, when I'm on my 2 week journey, I usually literally just use juice and Toya's HIIT. That's all you need, HIIT and cardio. Thank you guys for joining, and I wish you happy working out.